Right, here we go then.
Yeah, a little nice for a late one by the looks of it.
She looks clean.
Yeah, 48,000 on the clock, 5-speed gearbox. 1.6, I take it. Yeah, well, they were a good selling car. You know, I know it's fashionable to knock them. They're actually now very sought after, aren't they? But they rapidly became bangers, rapidly. Bit of tagging going on around here, a little bit of knob right as we call it. But generally speaking, for a Maestro, there ain't that many left, is there? And you've got to make allowances for certain models, makes and models. Done a bit in there, and she smells a bit smoke, you know, cigarette smoke, which I don't like. So she's had a recent repaint and all the rest of it. It looks sound enough in there, but it's all right, isn't it? It's just, you know, it's a fairly basic one, isn't it? Really, but although 5-speed gearbox is not particularly, is it? I don't know what you call it, DL. Maybe I'm not too sure. It's actually looking a very straight little car, to be fair, isn't it? Maybe once windscreen wipers painting, look.
Yeah.
Finishing off. Can you grab the bonnet pull there?
Will.
You could do with a coach line, really. It looks a bit bare, doesn't it?
Yeah, coach line would be nice.
It's a bit like a police car, you know. This is one of them that we used to put sunroof in. It's actually got a tilt and slide, which is nice. But the basic ones, you know, we put coach lines on first, then a set of wheel trims. If it didn't sell, put a cheap sunroof in, and it normally went then. Yeah, there she is. Yeah, she's 1.3, isn't she? Little 1.3 she is. 1300. Little A-series engine, basically. And a sound and straight little car. Just would have been nice to have cleaned up the engine bay really before it was painted, but the next person will have to do that and address these bits and pieces. Look. So, yeah, it's okay. Very nice, very smart, very usable, limbed up. Little car. It's the only way you can put it really. Yeah, about the only way that you can put it really. Yeah. Come and have a look. Do come and have a look and see what you think. 5-speed gearbox is handy, isn't it? Very usable.
Good.